What's going on, guys? In today's video I want to discuss my trading 2-on-2 portfolio diversification across all 12 of my portfolio pies, and also discuss the €350 that I invested today. But just before we get into that, could I ask if you're new around here to consider subscribing to the channel, as it would really help me out going forward, and we're only about 37 subscribers away from my next goal of 600. And with all that being said, let's dive right onto my trading 2-on-2 portfolio. So as I stated earlier in the video, we invested a further €350 today across numerous funds in different pies, and the main purpose of that was to improve my dollar cost averaging in terms of reducing my overall share price in each of those companies. So by investing that €350, we now have just under 6,000 or €5,825 invested, and we're up 8.37% or €450. As we come into the final few hours of 2020, I just want to see how each of my portfolio pies firstly are doing in terms of performance, and I'll kind of keep it brief. We'll just give an overview of each of the 12 sector pies instead of going into each of the pies more in depth and going through each of the companies, because we do that every Friday. So we'll just be doing a brief overview today. So I want to check how each of the 12 pies are performing, and also I want to see in terms of diversification how my weightings are on each of the 12 portfolio pies. My first pie on screen is communication services. We have 5 holdings. We have about €637 invested and are currently up just under 16%. And in terms of my overall weighting, it is worth 11% of my overall portfolio value. Consumer discretionary, we have €522 invested and are up 11.69%. And we have 9% of my allocated funds into the sector pie. So I'm kind of happy in terms of both of these weightings at the moment. Consumer staples, we have just over €300 invested and are up 1.43%, and 5.2% of my allocated funds are in this sector. My energy sector pie has just under €200 invested and we're up a nice 16.3%, and this equates to about 3.38% of my overall holding. ETF sector pie, we have over €600 invested and are up over 10%, and this equates to just over 10.4% of my overall weighting. We then have my financial sector pie, €761 invested and we're up over 16.5%, and again this equates to about 13% or just over that of my overall capital. Healthcare, €624 and we're up just under 7.5%, and this equates to 10.7% of my money. Industrials, then we have €260 invested and we're up 2.4%, and in terms of weighting, it equates to 4.45% of my money. My material sector pie, we have €356 invested and are currently down 7.4%, and that is mainly due to Barrick Gold, which we have €304 of the 356 invested. So we're down to 7% at the moment. This was down 11 or 12% the past few days, but it's gone up 5% due to dollar cost averaging, and my material sector pie now equates to about 6.1% of my overall holdings. Real estate makes up 5.18%, and that's €300, and we're currently down 1.9%. We then have my tech sector pie, which is my largest holding at the moment. We have €1,114 invested and are up 10.2%, and this equates to 11.1% of my overall capital. And finally, we have my utility sector pie, €141 invested and we're currently down just under 3%, and it equates to 2.4% of my overall holdings. I'll be getting my overall account value over the €6,000 mark in the next few days. Probably it'll be the 4th of January at this stage due to the markets closing early tomorrow and being closed on the 1st. So it'll probably be the 4th, Monday, January the 4th, when I'll be getting my overall value to over €6,000, and that'll be 6% towards my overall goal of having €100,000 invested in the stock market. So here's a kind of a brief summary or synopsis of my 12 portfolio pies that we discussed in this video. So I'm quite happy with my overall weightings per each of these 12 pies. Technology, I always wanted to have the most, so 19%. I wouldn't really want to go over 20% in fairness, but I'm quite happy to have it at about 19% or so at the moment. My utilities is the smallest with 2.4, and I would like to keep it the smallest of my 12 pies going forward still. In terms of some companies, or sectors that I want to increase would probably be my energy sector pie here, and that would be in terms of my global clean energy iShares ETF that I have in that sector. That is my smallest of my ETFs at the moment, but certainly I want to start pumping a lot more money in here, and I'd like to kind of get that ETF and my energy pie overall up to at least 5 to 6% of my overall holdings. I'm quite happy with consumer discretionary and consumer staples, maybe even them out a bit more, so maybe 6 or 7% each instead of 8 and 5. Financials, I work in the financial sector, so I'm kind of happy to have that over the 10% mark, because I kind of am interested in those kind of companies a bit more than, let's say, the other sectors. Healthcare I'm quite happy with as well. Real estate I'm happy to have around 5. Materials I might want to bring this down 1 or 2% and maybe put that into industrials, or even, let's say, if I wanted to put it back into my consumer staples, or again my energy ETF as well. But overall, in a synopsis, I'm quite happy with how my 12 portfolio pies are panning out at the end of 2020, and I'm certainly looking forward to seeing where we're going to be this time next year. Also, just while I'm here, over the next few days, I'm going to be making 3 further videos. One will be on Friday for my week 15 portfolio update on Trading 212. I will also be doing a video on the new shared pie feature update that has come in over the last few weeks. So that's quite interesting, and quite an interesting update to kind of help kind of interact people in terms of their pies and kind of bouncing ideas off each other. So I think that's very important as well. And finally, I'm going to be doing my 2021 goals in terms of investing and other business ideas, and also on YouTube. So that'll be kind of an interesting video to look back on in a few months' time as well, to see if we're hitting those goals that I'm going to set out over the next few days. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to give a brief update while I was going through my own portfolio pies a while ago in terms of how much weighting I have per sector. So I thought it was kind of interesting to kind of make a video on it. And again, I'm looking forward over the next weeks, months, and even year to see where this channel will be, and also what account of value I'll have in the next 6 to 12 months. I'm kind of aiming to have about 20,000 by the end of next year. So by the end of 2021, it'd be nice to have another about 14 or 15,000 invested. So that would be 20% towards my €100,000 goal. So let's see how it goes. Thanks very much, guys. It'd be great if you consider liking the video, and as always, if you're new around here, please consider subscribing, as it would really help me out going forward. Have a good New Year's, guys, and I will see y'all in the next video.